Yo, 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 what's going on? What's going on, boys and ladies, day traders? Welcome back to another recap. So today I took a trade on what's it called, YM, and I literally just finished, as you can see, live market. But before we get into that, I want to show you guys trade of eight here. I want to show you how much money I made. I made 61.90, let's say $61, funded account. So with this, I brought my account a little bit above 50% now of the total amount needed to request my payout, just with base hits like this one, 61 and so on and so on and so on. Um, so yeah, that's what I want to show you guys. Then I want to show you this. I want to go one by one so you can see I didn't take any other trades, just markouts of what I was thinking about taking. So you can see right there. You can see right there where I took my trades. Then we got the Russell 2000. This is clean double break, opening range high, the break of opening range high, the take of New York VWAP. You hold straight to TP. Isn't that nice? Then you got the what's it called? The MNQ. Could have had a double break short, but unfortunately we didn't take opening range high. But then we then went to opening range low. You could have taken it, but this was a mid-range trade. So I guess now this is some ugly range. And if you're trading it, well, good luck. I don't know where it's gonna go, if lower or higher. We are seeing some support here. We rejected once, twice, three times, four, five, and it looks like we could be rejecting six times. But at the same time, you got VWAPs aligned to the downside, and we're making lower lows, and you don't know where it's gonna go. So good luck on that. Then you got a break and retest long on gold, and then on oil, you got a break and retest short. So thank God I made my money early, and I am green on the day, and I'm not red. So let's go through today's trading day. So coming into the day, I was looking for shorts or flat, most likely. I, I, wa- I didn't want to look for longs because the mark just look at this shit. Just look at this 30-minute time frame. Just fucking making lower lows. Then the day ended. Previous day's high, previous day's low. We tried going up here, but we found some resistance and we just melted through this low right here, the previous day's low. So, and we were below previous day's low. So I was looking for shorts most likely. Okay, so with that in mind, I was either looking for the double break short or the break and retest short. That's my thought process as the time goes by from market open. So first of all, I wait from 9:30 to 9:45. See, how the market is feeling, right? That gives you more time, more data to analyze what could the next move be, you know. So then um the 9:30, 9:45 high and low forms. We have some retest here. We go up, take that opening range high. That's a weak break because as soon as we take it, we reject from the start of the day VWAP, which is, as soon as the next trading day opens, that's where it's anchored. Tum, 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 it goes down. The last time we retested this VWAP or we touched it was at 3 a.m. Since then, we hadn't touched it. Now we drop down to the 1 minute, right? We retest it right above opening range high. Immediate rejection. We go back inside the opening range, and then we take the New Year VWAP. So that's what I said. Opening range low taken, weak break plus retest of red VWAP. Then we got the double break short entry confirmation. Then we got the stop loss here, and then we got the TP here, but took partials early, and last one got taken out because of chose stop loss in profit. Then I said that second trade, which is this one, I took it and got taken out for like a $6 loss because it was a quick scalp. So as you can see, I got in right there and I got out right there. So it was like this move right here. I then said I made $60, but I was up like 100 at the lowest point. So right here, there was a point where I still had like the three micros in that I had in. I was up like $92. So I would guess with this one, maybe like 105. That's the lowest point. So I said, um, I was up like 100 at the lowest point, but like always, you can't time the market, so you always leave money on the table or on the market. Overall, pretty good partials. I almost took them at the lowest point because my first partial was right here. One that one not really at the lowest point. This one was almost at the lowest point, and then this one I took it when we made this high. I put the stop loss there, and it took me out. And then right now I will be in drawdown uh if I hadn't closed my trade, and it wouldn't be looking good for me because we're not even making lower lows now. We're making highs, higher highs, higher lows. Um, so that's it. There's nothing else I can say. You know, um, the best thing you can do is just set TP here, stop loss here, set and forget either stop loss or TP. But as always, you just add a little bit of discretion. If the market is moving fast, you take a partial or two, you leave one runner. You always, the setup is there, but the way you manage your trade, that's different. So you have to do it on your own. And that's how I do it. I do it on my own. I do it how I think it's best. I do it what the market is showing me at that moment. And that's it. That's it. There's nothing else I can say. Um, so this was my double break short today. So as y'all can see, maybe this time it didn't hit TP. Um, but you can still take some partials and the rest on break even. You can still get out full here. You can maybe even throw stop loss here and mitigate your risk and then get taken out somewhere around here, but not full stop loss. There's so many ways to manage your trade. At the beginning, I went in with two trades right there. Then price retraced back. Once we made a new lower low, I added one more, and then I just rode the way down. So that's it for me today. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all have a comment, let me know, and please follow. Thank you.